Did people in the ancient world really care about their teeth, or did they just let them rot away? You'd think brushing your teeth is a modern invention, something we owe to toothpaste companies and dentists in white coats. But the truth is stranger than that. Humans have been obsessing over their teeth for thousands of years, long before anyone even knew what bacteria was. Let's go back nearly 5,000 years to ancient Egypt. Archaeologists found something surprising in Egyptian tombs: tiny wooden sticks with frayed ends, almost like little brushes. These were called chew sticks. People would gnaw on the end of a twig from a tree until the fibers split apart, turning it into a soft, brush-like tip. Then they'd rub it against their teeth and gums. Some trees, like the Miswak tree, released natural antibacterial oils while you chewed, meaning ancient people accidentally invented a cleaning agent thousands of years before science explained why it worked. But it doesn't stop there. The Egyptians also created something even closer to modern toothpaste. Recipes carved into papyrus describe a powder made from crushed rock salt, dried iris flowers, pepper, and mint. Mixed together, this gritty paste was rubbed on teeth using fingers or chew sticks. Historians who tested a recreated version say it left teeth feeling remarkably clean, though the pepper made gums bleed a little at first. Now travel east to ancient India and China. Around 500 BCE, Ayurvedic medicine encouraged people to clean their teeth every single morning, using neem twigs, a bitter antibacterial wood still used in parts of India today. In China, dental hygiene was taken just as seriously. By around 1600 AD, the Chinese had invented something that looks eerily familiar: a toothbrush with a bamboo or bone handle and stiff bristles made from hog hair, attached at a right angle. This design later inspired the toothbrushes Europeans began making centuries afterward. So what about teeth that had already gone bad? Ancient humans weren't afraid to intervene. Skeletons from Pakistan dating back over 9,000 years show evidence of dental drilling, tiny holes bored into teeth using flint tools, likely to remove decay. Imagine sitting there, fully conscious, while someone drilled into your tooth with a sharpened stone. No anesthesia, no numbing gel, just grit, and probably a lot of screaming. The Romans took things in a very different and much stranger direction. Wealthy Romans used a whitening agent made from human urine. Yes, urine. It turns out urine contains ammonia, a compound that actually does have cleaning properties. Romans would swish it around their mouths or use it as a rinse, believing it whitened their teeth and killed bad breath. Some accounts say certain Roman elites imported urine specifically from Portugal, believing it worked even better. It's oddly effective and undeniably disgusting. Even earlier, some of our prehistoric ancestors may have picked at their teeth using tiny bone or wood toothpicks. Grooves found on ancient fossilized teeth suggest they were repeatedly worked at with a thin, pointed object, meaning even Neanderthals may have practiced a crude form of dental hygiene, trying to dig out trapped food between their teeth. So, the idea that our ancestors just walked around with rotting, ignored mouths isn't quite true. Ancient people clearly understood that dirty teeth caused pain, bad breath, and disease, even without knowing about bacteria or cavities. They experimented with sticks, minerals, herbs, and yes, even bodily fluids, all in pursuit of a cleaner mouth. Next time you pick up your toothbrush and squeeze out a stripe of mint toothpaste, remember, you're continuing a ritual that stretches back thousands of years. The tools have changed. The instinct to protect our smile, that's ancient.